In this video, you'll learn how to integrate GitHub with Asana using Zapier. This integration allows you to automate task creation in Asana whenever a new issue is created in GitHub. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by typing zapier.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Zapier interface with various options to create automations. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create. This button is typically found on the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking, you will be directed to a new page where you can start building your Zap. Once this appears, find and click on the option labeled Zaps in the left sidebar. This will take you to your Zaps dashboard where you can manage existing Zaps or create new ones. After that, in the search bar at the top of the Zaps page, type GitHub to Asana. This action helps you find the specific integration you want to set up. The search results will display relevant options for connecting GitHub and Asana. Proceed by clicking on the button that says Start Building. This will take you to the Zap editor where you can set up the details of the integration. Now, you need to click on the option labeled GitHub. This will prompt you to select GitHub as the app that will trigger the events for this Zap. A new window will appear where you can configure the GitHub settings. Next, click on the button that says Trigger Event. This allows you to choose the specific event in GitHub that will trigger actions in Asana. A drop-down menu will appear with various trigger options. Select the option labeled New Issue from the drop-down list. This means that every time a new issue is created in GitHub, it will trigger an action in Asana. Click on the section labeled Account. This is where you will link your GitHub account to Zapier. If prompted, you may need to log in and authorize Zapier to access your GitHub account. Continue by clicking on the button that says Connect GitHub. This action finalizes the link between your GitHub account and Zapier, enabling the integration to function correctly. Next, click on the option labeled Asana. This indicates that you will set up the action that occurs in Asana as a result of the GitHub trigger. A new setup screen will appear for Asana settings. After that, click on the section labeled Action Event. Here, you will specify what action should take place in Asana when the GitHub trigger occurs. Select Create Task from the list of action events. This selection ensures that a new task will be created in Asana whenever a new issue is added in GitHub. Now, click on the section labeled Account again. This is where you will connect your Asana account to Zapier. Similar to the previous steps, authorization may be required. Proceed by clicking on the button labeled Connect Asana. This finalizes the connection between your Asana account and Zapier, allowing for seamless task creation. If you would like to integrate GitHub with Asana yourself, a link has been provided in the description and pinned comment below this video. Follow that link for detailed instructions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.